guys, director choreographer Bryan Knowlton here. I'm very excited to tell you about some master classes that I'm teaching for the Mac-Haydn Theatre called In the Style of. We will be taking the essence of 6 famous choreographers that sort of changed the face of Broadway and teaching numbers from 6 different shows. Each class will be a nice juicy warm-up, and then we'll dive into an in-depth conversation about each choreographer's contribution to Broadway, and then give you some choreography to dance to. Whether you just join in for one class, a drop-in, or whether you join for all 6 classes, all are welcome. I'm teaching all the classes via Zoom while I'm in London, and please come and join this exciting, fun class. I hope to see you there. Take care, be safe, bye.